I've seen someone say, Prime Minister don't like criticism. Nonsense. Not every opinion makes sense. I am not one who fears criticism.
A few moments later.
So it's going to be war. But there are people who fear me when I respond to them.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
We have to be so careful that these kinds of careless talk.
2,000 years later.
Me not afraid of nobody.
One eternity later.
All who want talk, make meme. One. Me we go with you toe to toe.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
You don't know Media Fox, you know? Yeah, man. Boy, Mr. Andrew, the Prime Minister. I'm gonna tell you what, one. I know say you're under pressure. See, you know, understand. This is your first ever task where damage control. See, first category. Remember, say, under your government, I first category 5. Right? We understand. Your government body under pressure. Seeing the people them where been through it, them frustration, them don't know when them will get the last meal, them don't know when them roof are go put on frustration. So look you know. Them are go forward, them are go talk. Cause you know why? You see when election time, them are soon votes and votes and votes. But in this time now, you see when they not see you, that's the problem. I just saw humans there. Yeah. But all me I tell you, Mr. Andrew Holness, just put on your phone. Give Instagram or TikTok or whatsoever, give it a break. Yeah, man, put on your phone one side, man. Just focus on the information where your government body give you. Yeah. Cause look here now, Mr. Andrew Holness. This only I go just expose your anger. I see it. A lot of time you make press briefing and you always reach to this moment. But people, I'm going to play a keep and I'm going to see what go on.
And it is one thing that you will see about me. Me not afraid of nobody. All who want talk, make meme. One, me we go with you toe to toe. Every nonsense you talk, I will respond to it. And as you would have seen with the government, man come out with foolishness, we respond, not go so. Yeah. So make them, and as many memes as they can make, I can make it too. So it's going to be war. Because we cannot allow the people who peddle nonsense, the people who tell lies, we cannot allow them to win. So we...
Boy, Mr. Andrew, may I tell you now, may I tell you now, you kind of rough, brother. And when I lie, I expect better from you. Yeah, man. When you go say war, Mr. Prime Minister, we are talk. Come on, man, you're a Prime Minister, man. If you learn to take criticism, you understand? Remember, you know, when the people them talk, you can listen and then take from that and, you know, put in the work. But if you go keep on addressing these things, you go low, you go toe to toe with people. Come on, man. Act like a Prime Minister, man. Act better than this. Yeah, man, you can't do the toe and toe with the people them create memes and all of them something. Come on, man. Put the emotions aside right now. The country I go through a little phase right now. People are going to say things. Seeing? People are going to say things. And remember this. The same information the more put out that it people are use. Right? Remember, when I say, when not touch the money, but at the end of the day, when still borrow money, then one bag of money are coming, but when not on a record about it, and then when come out the next day and say, we don't have records of it. You understand? I'm saying like what Val say, at this amount of million, and then when him come, him say a mistake he make. So all of these information wanna make incorrect. It's same one. I uno say it, you know. Yes, I uno say it. Because you cannot be a Prime Minister and people are going to talk, brother. Remember, say you deal with the taxpayers' money, the people them money, right? Remember, you know, when election time, You walk in some place with booger boot and all of them little thing, they fine. You try get the people them together for the vote and you know, yeah, you get the people them house and thing, yeah. But look you know, it's a different time. This is a category 5 hit Jamaica, and it hit Jamaica in a one of the least developments in a Jamaica, St. Elizabeth them side of Westmoreland. A be a board house and weak structures and all of these things they them side because the people them down there can't really afford to build a wall house. Some of the lands them is like capture lands or you know, some of them the land them just steady and people just gone a foreign and left the lands and move on with them life and thing. So Mr. Prime Minister, me know you scroll with your phone. Right on Instagram and them something that you see people them run out and lash out. Me know you feel that way. Me see it, brother, but look you now. It a go only make you fall in that trap there, bro. See? Cause look you now. You can't make yourself look like a dictator, brother. It'll get worse and worse. You always forward out and I say, yo, the people that we criticize and Mr. Prime Minister, you're Prime Minister. Now watch what people are say. Do what you do, brother. I saw it thing go, I saw humans go. Do what you do. All you have to do is control the information. Because the people must say a 1 month now and the money still not touch. But una borrow the 500 million. I think our 500,000. Right? Or I think a 500 million US or something like so. Zine, fee from the IMF. And that do not borrow. Although not touch the relief money them yet. See, so the people them are gonna talk. The people them are gonna talk. Because look here, when the people them hear the information of the relief fund money them not touch, what you think them are gonna have in them head? Them are gonna have say, yo, that means that una nah do nothing then after 1 month, nothing not touch. And them look at think that these are the things the people them are gonna say, you know. Remember, these money forward for help the country and help the people. So people are gonna talk, brother. All me I say, me I warn you, just put on your phone, Mr. Prime Minister. Put it one side. Me see the pressure reach, you know. Me see the pressure reach, car. That video the way you does to, brother, is that damage control that? When you go say a war, you can't war with your own people, then, brother. Remember, you know, at them a pay you and put money in your pocket. Or if you war with them, or if you war your own people. Seeing? Brother, you have to just focus on what you do. If you keep on scrolling on social media and see these things and it really get to you, right? You say you're not afraid of nobody. Mr. Holness, me not think nobody run no threat off of you, you know. Yeah, me not think nobody a threaten you. Because we know your thing set, right? So me no know, you say you're not afraid of nobody. Me no know what you mean. But you see that war thing there? You better you never make that statement there. Me I tell you. For you right now, I don't think you should have even pay for toe-to-toe with nobody. You're up on a level up there, so brother. You can't look on the people them where they on the ground where, you know, I do them thing and them need help right now. All you have to do, prove them wrong. Prove the people them wrong. Whatever them attack, prove them wrong. Make them see the work. Where you do. Don't make them see say, yo, you're up on a conference or you're up on a podium or something. I address or I try say, yo, you will war them or you will stoop to them level and all of them little thing there, brother. Come on, Mr. Prime Minister, man. As a man like you, we expect better. From day one, you say, yo, remember, you know, you'd forward out and you say, yo, you say somebody, like, it look like him go online in the people and him see somebody say, yo, the government, Prime Minister can't take criticism, right? That, you know, and then the man say, yo, whenever I speak, you know it go. But this are the thing. The same person will say, yo, you can't take criticism. See ya expose it there. Because if you go forward, every time you have to state something towards the country, you go have that segment in the briefing where you read or whatever. And you are going to keep on and bring up this criticism and what people are saying, what people are saying. Brother, that I got distract you from focus on the people them and upon the country. That I got cause a problem. You don't need a war with nobody. Come on, man. You don't need a war with nobody, brother. But understand the process and the procedure. But you have to understand how the people them feel right now. You understand? You have to put yourself in them shoes. Put yourself in them shoes. Not by coming out and say a war and you go create meme too and you go back and forth with them. No. Put yourself in them shoes. Say, look here. Alright. Me have a 4-bedroom, you know. Whole of my roof gone, window shell out. Yeah, me I get one little package of food and thing, and me have 4 pitney, and the school where them go, the school not fix it, roof gone, them can't go school. Right? Everything mash up for you. Your document papers them wet up, wash away, water flood out your house. All of your things them mash up. Right? Yeah, you maybe get one tap in, but when rain fall, some rain still a blow in. Yes. You have to put yourself in them shoes and see how them feel. Yeah, you have to make them feel like say, all if you're not dead, when you're forward on this briefing, right? All you have to say, people, just give me some time. I understand the situation. I see everybody a cry out. You know, more and just to make sure say everything. Yeah, man, address them like you care. But don't address say, yo, you go war them and back and forth with them. And come on, man, you have to understand when people are going through pressure is a different thing, you know. You understand, Mr. Prime Minister? So all me I say, cark your ears. Now listen what people are say. Just do your job. Cause look here. All who went on with you, right? All who went on rate you are, you know, but at the end of the day, you are Prime Minister of the country. What we are going to do? We can't do nothing. And you are control the thing them. So all we can do right now, I tell you where to focus pan. Cause if we not, remember say you win the other day, you win election the other day, right? Remember say we can't just take you out of power, so. Cause you win where they have more 3 years left or 4 years. Right? So what we have to do, we have to say, brother, just do the work. Stop focus on the people, man, what them say. That nah go get you know. It only a distract you and make you come present yourself like this as a prime minister. The thing, it don't even sound good. You understand? You go say, boy, you're not afraid of nobody. Come on, man, nobody not threaten you, Mr. Andrew Holness. And then you go say, yo, a war. Who war with the people and we are pay them? Huh? Come on, man. Remember say people them pay you, you know. You have to show them say, look here. Yeah, you depend that level there, you know, back and forth with regular people. Although you have served them, you have to make them look like the bad person. But right now, brother, you go say you go war them. Me know nobody, no citizen have out and say they want war you, know, Andrew. Me I tell you, no citizen have out and say they want war you. Because them know say alright, when you look at 2 van load of police are come for them. So, me not think nobody had say, but yeah, you're not afraid of nobody. But all me have to say, just focus on getting the country running. This bag of addressing about people and what people are say, me tell you already, it's not going to stop. It only going to get worse. So look what you have to do. You have to just focus on what you do. That's all. The war thing and the meme thing and all of them something. The brother, if you pay that money to go distract you from what you have to do, that's the problem. Yeah, you do look a podium, you go your and you talk and thing, but I know every time you go for address something, you have to bring up this criticize and this war thing and whatever where people are say, come on, man. It only has to say, yo, you just have to focus on the wrong things. Right? We know how the government system say it's going to take a while. It's a process. Right? But una put out some information where una misinformation it because una say this today and then say a different thing tomorrow. These are the things we make the people them think. And I wonder what really are going on. You understand? That's the problem. Una now put out the information and the information just stick and say, yo, I eat that. Una put it out today, then no come with a different thing tomorrow. That cause a problem. So all me have to say, Mr. Prime Minister, just put on your phone, come off of TikTok, come off of Instagram, come off of YouTube, all the thing them, and just focus on the country. Listen to who you employ, like the other ministry them and them people. Listen to them, come off of social. I know you love your Instagram and you watch everything we are going, you know. But every time we see you dip on your phone and thing. So you need to focus, man. You need to focus. Come off of social media, it'll get your anger. Me see it. Me I watch all of your press briefing them where you have a talk on TV and it's like it always bring up that part there. And this one worse, cause see there reach world war. Yeah, it come like a world war, country war this. Cause You say you a war. So anybody who say nothing, you go back and forth with them. Me not think, in this time, I feel like you have to stoop so low in them levels there right now. You're Prime Minister, you're supposed to focus on Prime Minister duties. Yeah, but as me say, people, big up on yourself, but I say, Mr. Prime Minister, just do what me tell you. Love is social media. Focus on where you have to focus on. See? Yeah, man, bless up. People who don't know, yeah, man, a media facts, man. That is it.